Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account, but before we dive into it, there is a crucial requirement you must know: your current Instagram account password. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first step is you need to tap on this icon. Okay, so you will be popped here. So you need to tap on setting and privacy here. Okay, just tap on it. Now we have to scroll down and search for help option, as you can see here, and I highly recommend you watching this video in full screen mode with high resolution. Tap on help center now. So after that you will be welcomed in this interface. So you need to tap on this icon. Okay, now just head to manage your account. So tap on it. After that you can find delete your account here. Okay, so tap it. After that you can find delete your account in blue highlighted option. So at this point, okay, so tap on that blue highlighted text. So you will be welcomed here. Okay, after that you need to tap on this icon, Android app help. So now you need to choose your mobile browser help, so you can choose your other devices also. So after that you can see here, okay, highlighted one, delete your account. So tap on this. Okay, so after that you will be redirect to this kind of interface, and you can just select some reason. Okay, so I will choose privacy concerns, and you need to hit your current password. If you don't know your current password, I can actually help you, so just comment. Okay, just comment it. So I will type my password here. After hitting the password, you can see delete Technoaura 47. So click on OK. So now you can see this kind of interface, okay, from Instagram. So yeah, now you can just switch your app. Okay, let me close it and reopen it. So now we can see we have been logged out. Okay, so now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.